Oh, oh, oh. It is Santa Claus. Santa Claus is coming. You better read up. You better think twice. You better. Santa Claus has lost his belly. Yeah, this is the skinny Santa Claus. Hello, hello, hello. So yeah, I'm getting ready to surprise some people. Dressed up as Santa. You know how it is. You know how it is. We're in our Santa gear. We gotta surprise them. So yeah. Shh. Do I look real? Does it look good? Should I do it like this? So, call me old Saint Nick. You know, one day I am gonna have a beard like this. So, here. Hopefully this gives you a good look. I need something to stuff in my gut. I'm too skinny.